So the Minister of Transport, Mr. Daryl Vaz, he was seen sprinkling rum on the new buses. Yes, the new school buses that is supposed to bring our nation children to school this semester. Yes, those buses. He was seen sprinkling the rum on the buses and at the same time putting it in his head. And the Jamaican people are not having it. They are deeming this as working obia. Yeah, they are saying that Mr. Daryl Vaz should have gotten a prayer warrior to bless the buses instead of sprinkling rum on the buses. Because what is the significance of sprinkling the rum, guys? Well, there's a Jamaican saying that says, you cut crosses when you sprinkle rum. But nothing beat prayer. Nothing cut crosses like prayer. You understand, Mr. Vaz? Because rum is an alcohol that you drink and get intoxicated and act a fool. So why sprinkle it on the kids' bus? I don't understand this. Jamaicans are outraged about this, guys. Some saying that they will not allow their kids to go on these buses.
The transport minister was using Ray and nephew rum to bless the buses that should be carrying the children of Jamaica. Now, when as a nation we have gotten to that place, Jamaica is known as a country that has the most churches per square mile. Mr. Daryl Vaz, with all respect due to your office, what you have done is a wicked thing. I will never permit my child to travel on that school bus. But the church quiet. The church quiet. When have we turned to Ray and nephew for protection using white rum? Do you understand the level of curse that you pronounce on these buses that should be carrying our children safely? You dedicating the buses to Ray and nephew through alcohol. That's witchcraft. You are not a priest, Mr. Daryl Vaz. You're not a priest. You're not a pastor. Leave dedication alone. Stay in your portfolio. Stay in your office. You want to dedicate these things, call a minister. Call a pastor. That's not your arena. And the church, the umbrella of churches, that is supposed to come out in their numbers to denounce this wicked act and to correct the minister. You're silent. You're silent. So we are praying tonight. And I am declaring as a son of this soil, every incantation and every spell and every ritual that has been cast upon the buses that is supposed to carry the children of Jamaica. Father, in the name of Jesus Christ, let that spell be broken.
No, I would have to agree with this young man 100%. Because when did we become like this as a nation? Sprinkling rum as a blessing. And why is the church so silent? And what, the church them gone lukewarm? The prayer warriors them exist no more? Because so much going on in Jamaica and I am yet to see the church go out and get mad like first time. Put on some real prayer, chant some real psalms, and cut crosses. Daryl Vaz, why would you sprinkle rum on the buses that is bringing the children? I cannot understand it and I cannot wrap my head around it. This is not a usual thing. We're not familiar with this. So it's like you guys used to do these things in the dark, but it is now coming out to light. It is now coming out to light. When 2025 started, I remember someone saying that the year 2025 is gonna be the year of revelation. And it is true, because some things are coming out that we have never seen before. Daryl Vaz sprinkling rum on the buses that will be carrying the nation children. What kind of crosses you bring pan the people and pick Daryl Vaz? I don't think this is normal, guys. This is not normal. And the churches have to come back to you guys. Why are you so quiet? Why are you so quiet? And as the young man says, Mr. Val, this is not up your alley. You're not a priest. You're not a pastor. So why didn't you get a priest or a pastor or a prayer warrior or a revivalist, somebody to bless the bus? You took it up on your head and sprinkle rum on the buses. I don't know. I am not a rum drinker. But from the way I see persons acting when they consume this rum business here, it's not normal and it is not good for consumption. It is not good for consumption, guys. So why sprinkle it on the bus?
But Jamaica, wanna see what me seeing here right here, so? You know, so them man are not take our children's safety serious. Look at this gimmickry right here. So what is that going to do? That is going to let the tires of the buses and the oldness of the buses, it's going to make it brand new. It's going to make it okay. It's going to make it safe. Time come for serious government officials, right, that are responsible. This man is clearly taking to light the safety of our children, these 10 to 15-year-old buses, and his idea to make them safe is to come here and sprinkle white rum on them. What in the world can go so? And Jamaicans, if you accept this absolute disrespect, this disregard for our children's lives and safety, then you are a part of the problem.
So as you can hear, another concerned Jamaican citizen voicing their opinion about what Mr. Vaz is doing. And what Mr. Vaz is doing is utter rubbish. How can white rum protect our children? How can white rum bless our children's buses? Huh? And if you guys think that there is nothing wrong with what this gentleman is doing, then you guys are definitely a part of the problem, as the young man says. Because in no way, shape, or form will white rum be able or can protect our children. You know what can protect our children? Prayer. Prayer will protect our children and break any curse or crosses of our children. So that is what Mr. Vaz should have been doing. Seeking prayer for the buses, instead of walking around sprinkling rum and putting rum in his head. I don't understand. I don't understand this, guys. What's the significance of sprinkling rum and putting it in your head and on your face? What does this signify? If anyone in the comment knows what this signify, feel free to let me know, guys. But in my opinion, I don't like this. I don't like this one bit, guys.
God-fearing Jamaica people, no look here. While Daryl Vaz a sprinkle rum on the bus, we have to carry the pick to them. Why Daryl Vaz never pray? Or why JLP love Obia so? Why them a use rum a sprinkle on the bus after the driver smell the rum and go cross?
Another Jamaican citizen voicing their opinion and saying that why Jamaica Labour Party love working Obia so. Why I don't know if this is Obia working, but what I do know is that this cannot cut crosses, a prayer cut crosses. You understand? He's also saying that why Daryl Vaz go sprinkle rum on the bus and make the driver smell the rum and crash the bus. God forbid that will never happen. That will never happen. I curse that talk. Yeah, man. Because we bless our children going out for this semester and beyond. May the good Lord bless and protect them. May no evil or no harm become of them. Nothing negative. May they go out and learn and make their parents proud. May they learn and excel to their best potential. Yeah, man, that is what we want for our nation's children. Guys, let me know what you think about what Daryl Vaz is doing. Do you think that sprinkling rum on the buses can cut crosses? Or Daryl Vaz should have sent for some real prayer warrior? Because in my opinion, guys, to be honest, I don't see what significant sprinkling rum on the buses makes sense. I don't see. Prayer always win and will always win. Yeah, man, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for listening. Remember to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. Walk good and spread love.
The Scoop.